Alright, so here we are opening an Airsoft GI Mystery box. I'm really panicking because I have no idea what I paid for. Classic Army components. Alright, so it looks like I got a ENF002P-DE. It's an automatic electric gun, safe, semi, full auto firing settings. Its weight is 2.41 grams with a barrel length of 280 millimeters and a barrel caliber of 6.03 millimeters. A pellet capacity of 300 rounds it holds 6 millimeter BBs, and it takes either LiPo 2 sticks or an NIMH 2 sticks, 8.4 volt or 9.6 volt battery. We got the quick start user manual, 2 batteries, charger, some BBs, a mag, This is a really nice gun. You can program 5 different shooting settings. I can't wait to test it out once the battery is finally charged. They also give you a foregrip and 2 side guards. Alright, we're outside for the first time testing this gun out. Alright. Oh, these BBs are going straight through that box. And then automatic. Overall, this gun was really nice. It's heavy duty but light to carry due to the gun being made of polymer instead of metal. The only downside to what I received was the battery and charger. When plugged in, the charger won't tell you if the battery is done charging or not. This is dangerous for some batteries, like the LiPo battery that came with the gun. Leaving these batteries plugged in for too long can end up ruining the battery and even destroy your gun in the long run, so upgrading this battery for a more reliable choice is a safer option in the future. This mystery box turned out to have really nice equipment. I can't wait for Airsoft GI's next mystery box sale.